Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely awesome Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. Here we have an Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. This is a 2022 bike on a 22 plate with just 2,436 miles, 2 owners from new and a full service history. This bike is in immaculate condition and comes in the Aprilia Racing colours of the sort of orangey red and black. It is absolutely stunning, as you will see as we go around. Single seat, of course, on this Aprilia. We do have the rear seat and foot pegs if anybody's mad enough to get on the back of it, but they are available. All the paintwork in excellent condition. You've got those stomp grips there with the braking force you can apply with the Brembo brakes on this bike. You will certainly benefit from those, helping out the arms if you do decide to take this on a track day, and why wouldn't you? It'd be an absolute weapon. Bar ends in excellent condition, as is the lever and the mirror. No signs of any drop damage anyway. You've got those stunning wings there, very of the moment, of course, Moto GP inspired. And this basically is a Moto GP bike for the road, or a World Superbike for the road if you like. 214 horsepower, of course. V4 just sounds absolutely beautiful with that Aprilia Racing Akrapovič carbon fibre silencer there. Swing arm undamaged, no scratches, no blemishes, no sign of any excessive paddock stand usage, so no sign this bike's actually been on the track at all. The rear wheel in excellent condition, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there, and the rear tyre in excellent condition there, as you can see, with loads of tread left. As I said, no sign of any track used. There does appear to be some sort of paint protection film on the bike as well. As we go around, you'll see some lines on the bike with the polish has just got in the edges of that paint protection kit, and all the bodywork, as I said, in excellent condition. The front of the bike, again, there's that paint protection film. You can probably just make out the edges of it there, which is good because there's no stone chips on the bike at all, which is excellent. And the screen, you've got the MRA double bubble screen there, or aero screen, and again, that's in great condition as well. It's an absolutely stunning bike, this, it really is. Front mudguard, all in good condition as well. You've got those Öhlins electronic suspension units there on the front, and the front wheel in excellent condition, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and the front tyre, again, loads of life left in it and no sign of any track use there. The left hand side of the bike, well, that's in fantastic condition as well. As you can see, you've got the mirror there, no sign of any drop damage there, or the bar end or the lever, and the wing, again, absolutely unmarked. All the fairing panels, in fact, pristine on this bike. Absolutely nothing to apologise for at all. There's the Öhlins suspension front fork on this left-hand side. Again, all in pristine condition with those Brembo brakes. Cornering ABS, of course, traction control, slide control, wheelie control, launch control, up and down quick shifter. Basically, you name it, this bike's got it. Absolutely the last word in road-going superbikes. Fantastic motorcycle. Chain sprockets all in excellent condition, as is the swing arm on this left hand side, and the rear wheel, again, all in excellent condition. It's a hugger there, just keeping that Öhlins rear shock, again, electronically adjustable rear shock, in excellent condition. The top of the bike, no signs of any damage there either, and the petrol tank, all in fantastic condition. Full colour TFT dash, of course. There's your electronic Öhlins, all your controls there on the left hand side. You even get cruise control, would you believe, on a superbike. So if you are looking for a weapon of tarmac destruction, look no further than this absolutely stunning Aprilia RSV4 1100 Factory. The carbon acro on this bike sounds absolutely fantastic. Let's fire it up and have a listen. Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come under current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this amazing Aprilia, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.